bubbles, right?
See if she'll start. Is it soft?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's just see if she cranks over. Do it again. Alright, right here we got this beauty of a $900 bill. This is a $900 Duramax, and we're gonna see if it starts. Short bed, crew cab, completely. You gotta see the inside.
Chickens up in it. It's got
Back window broke out.
had nudie magazines behind. Oh, you can't see them. Hope we don't get taken down. Disgusting. Smoked
But
in.
LV7, let's see if it starts. $900. Who can go wrong? Can we do it?
Yeah, crank it over. Nothing.
We gotta get her spinning faster.
Yeah.
No way she's gonna build real pressure under that kind of PSI. Hey, run!
Jace missed the startup. Holy, what'd you do, bro? Oh my gosh.
It's a freshie! Woo!
That's freaking sick, dude. We missed the
That's
start.
good.
Jason's messing with it when it started.
Yeah, sorry, it took 2 batteries and it finally went, so my bad.
Not bad for $900 though.
Yeah. $900, 2 batteries. Whatever.
It'll work.
We're good. This is the $500 LV7 Duramax, and we're gonna cold start it.
Let me give her hand back, dude. Nah. I don't know where the exhaust is.
Exhaust is like halfway. They like took it off right after the cat.
Oh, mercy.
There she is. Is she smoking?
No, that's... Yeah, a little bit.
That's pretty good.
$500, not bad.
Yeah, I think I might just put this motor in my truck, you know?
Alright guys, so here's the $900 Duramax. And might be dumb, but for a band-aid, we're gonna throw it in my turd box LV7 just until my other one gets done. So we're gonna rip this one apart, and hopefully it runs long enough to last in mine. So that's what we're doing today. Wait till Jace comes out and we'll record a little bit more, but we got a dying dog in the background. Rip it apart time. Yeah.
Alright, I got some dogs flipping out in the background, but that's alright. We got this Duramax here, $900, and we need the motor, so it's coming out. How fast do you think? 2 hours?
We'll time it and see what we can do.
Alright, sounds good. We're gonna just absolutely gut this truck really quick, get the motor out, then talk to you guys a little bit more about what's going on with it.
Before we get too far into absolutely just gutting this thing, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse so you can see just destroying the
2 wild wildebeest in action.
just destroying a Duramax. See if I can set you up.
Whoa.
He looks like he went through war.
It has been war.
We have the converter bolts left. Oh, I got black all over my face. Converter bolts left, and then rip her out.
Is that it?
Power steering.
I have one more motor mount bolt, and then like 3 power steering lines. The freaking thing you were supposed to do. We gotta undo that, and then we'll be ready to pull her out.
Do it
soon.
We'll catch up. Alright, got a skidster. See how this goes, huh? Yeah, go straight up. I'm gonna double check everything. We missed one bell housing bolt. Almost broke the bell housing like a couple years ago, but we got it. Now let's see if it'll come out nice and smooth. Yeah, up. A couple days later, after a snowstorm.
Yeah, we didn't film because it was literally a snowstorm when I put this motor in. So
Yeah, we got it set in the truck and
mounted to the tranny somewhat.
kind of.
So it's lined up. Now we just got to do bell housing bolts and torque converter bolts, and that will be solid. And then we got to do, let's see, what do we got to do today? Motor mount, all the bell housing, torque converter, like I said, starter. Just trying to get everything wrapped up so we can get the core support on is the plan, I think.
We got another storm coming, so
Yep, another one tomorrow.
just kind of dodge storm. So this is the motor. We didn't really go over. This is the motor out of the truck, the Duramax we bought for $900. We'll kind of show that truck, but
yeah. So this thing ran, and it seemed to start and run fine. Injectors might slowly be on their way out, but we just kind of need a motor in this to get it through winter, and then we have another motor for it that'll be built once summer comes around that we'll toss in. So this is just kind of a temporary setup, and that truck was so cheap that we just tossed it in. The truck had a blown tranny, so that's what we're doing with it.
yep. So we're gonna limp this thing along, and we're doing a bunch of boiler stuff today, so I don't know how much we'll film. But
Just all the tedious stuff.
yeah, we'll just some bolts in the back and underneath the truck, and don't really feel like filming it. And then the core support on. So we'll pick up if we get that far. If we don't get snow on.
Probably be 6 inches of snow 2 weeks later, so we'll see. We talking?
We're back the next day, dude.
There it is.
What's the plan?
Still had the storm, ended early yesterday. Had some other stuff to do, but we're getting pretty freaking close. We got the core support on. What else do we have to wrap up?
Wires.
Yep, we got to plug in the core support wiring to the fuse box. The ECM's chilling down there. I got to get it in the spot. The
Wrap it all up.
Needs to come back here.
All the
pipes,
coolant lines and the transmission lines.
AC lines. So we're getting pretty close for the first startup.
Just tie it all up and then see if it runs.
Yeah, we should be pretty freaking close. It should be within 2 hours, I think. So if we can find some charged batteries, we're gonna get this sucker cranked up. Just the most simple thing. Look.
Well, I think we got it about ready to start. Just enough to start. I'm gonna leave the boost pipes and the intake off, and the other messy stuff, kind of messy. Throw some charge pipes, charge pipes, some batteries
the
in
same
there.
things, man. Boost
What?
pipes, charge pipes.
Yep, I know.
They said we're leaving them off.
Gonna throw some batteries in here and crank up the old girl, huh?
Think she'll knock?
Hopefully. You gotta pull this dirty motor back out.
And if it runs, we're putting a lobe tune on it.
Now I am.
Ready? Okay, we got everything pretty buttoned up on it. Just need to do the boost pipes, but we're gonna bleed the lift pump real quick. So we're just gonna hook the lift pump up, let it run, and then usually there's a bleeder screw up on the fuel filter head, but it's cracked off for us. So we're actually just gonna go through the fuel test port right there. We're just gonna bleed that a couple times, get all the air out of the system, and then should be ready to crank it up, make sure it runs, and then hook the boost pipes up, finish putting the front end on, and take it for a spin. So that's the plan.
Sounds a pretty good plan, man.
It's pretty fresh stream.
Alright, you want me to do it? Yeah.
There's nothing in there. What are we missing? Just think for 1 second.
Got oil?
Something gonna explode.
Yeah,
Be ready to shut her down. Oh, hold on. Let me, you're good. Hop in. I just gotta put this back where it goes so it works like it's supposed to. Did you kill her? Oh. Oh, that's from me. Just turn it off for a sec. Turn it off. Alright, now we know everything's good on it, so now we are going to put the boost pipes on. Finish. This thing's all loose and finicky, so we got to fix that. And then what else? Just kind of button everything up, right?
Heck yeah, dude, that's nice.
It sounded sick.
Sounds so good.
I didn't even see any white smoke, man.
Sounds a lot better than misfire.
Yeah, this thing sounded like crap in the truck, so. No, like the other truck, it sounded like dog slaughtering around bad. It sounds 10 times better.
Because we fixed the up pipe.
Yeah, we put a new up pipe on it. The other one was gunked up, a new down pipe, so. This thing's about ready to rock.
It's gonna dial ready to roll. Enough of the cold red bombs, huh? It runs great.
It's like when you give it gas, so it doesn't like go. It's like in the mode or something. So we'll figure it out.
Really?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Trying to take this thing for a ride, but the tire went flat, so.
It's not the right size, man.
What?
Yeah, that worked for nothing.
Easy.
I thought they said this is the right size.
Trying to take it for a ride. Tire's flat, so we're gonna throw on some wheels I picked up off Marketplace. Not too bad. They're 35s. I hope they fit. But yep, do that real quick. Just on the back, so we can go ripper. Right?
That's the plan. Yeah. We're gonna pull the truck forward real quick so we can change the other back tire because we had a flat. So now we're putting the other wheels we have for it on. So we're gonna get it fired up and she'll come forward.